Hello all, it's William Dorrington here, and I want to quickly talk about something that I don't think is utilised or discussed enough within the Power Platform community, and that is utilising PowerApps inside Power BI. So I'm going to quickly run through this. So I created this simple Power BI that's just walking through a bit of a project I'm working on at the moment around project management. And what I've done is I've utilised the new Power BI visualization that you can use. So here, if you go across to the edit mode, you can see PowerApps for Power BI. You select that, and you get this nice little pop-up that guides you through this. Let's bring that somewhere where you can actually see it. Let's minimize this a little bit. There we go. Drag that way. So what you do is start selecting the data that you wish to use inside your Power App from the right hand side, as if you was building any part of a Power BI. And then once you start doing that, so if I can just go down, start selecting some stuff, any old thing. Once I get it, I can either choose an app to bring this data into or create a new. And then once all that does is that shoots off and starts spinning up a new app for me with this particular data source. Now it's loaded. We just skip that. You'll see that actually my data source is coming from Power BI integration. And I can start, if we go into the gallery itself that it's spun up, it's got the Power BI integration.data. What this means, if I go back to my actual report itself, as I select through different items, so Power Platform Project Implementation, it will actually start filtering my Power App. And then what I can do is do extra tasks that I may not have been able to do before. So I either email the PM, I can see what the budget is, I can see there's no actual spend at the moment. I can even open that particular project if I wish to. So really useful tool. If you need any advice or guidance on this, please do reach out. But I just wanted to quickly get this out there. So thank you so much for listening.